Hey everyone, welcome to VetVisit. I'm Hansika Singh and I'm a veterinary student. Our senior dogs are special and they have their special needs. In this video, I'm going to tell you how you can take care of these special buddies at your home better. Our senior dogs can suffer from anxiety and sadness if not given proper attention and affection.
Also, old dogs may develop behavioral changes, so it's important to have patience with them and give them a lot of love and care.
While having their meals, bending over the food bowl might not be very comfortable for them as their joints become weak and their legs might slip.
So you can place a mat below which has a no-slip surface bottom and assist them by holding their food bowl in your hand while they're eating.
You can also place their food bowl at a comfortable height for them to eat. Whenever an old dog needs to defecate or urinate, it might not be possible for them to each time step outside your house, especially when your house is not on the ground floor. So allow them an area in your balcony or bathroom where they can relieve themselves whenever they need to. If needed, provide them assistance during their defecation or peeing activity. As the dogs get older, their eyesight get impaired due to natural aging process or some eye conditions like cataract. So be prepared for them to bump into things within your house. Also be careful not to leave your dog unattended, especially at the top of a staircase, as they may fall down and injure themselves. Old dogs can have trouble standing up on slippery surfaces like tiles or wooden floors at our home.
You can place mats or carpets at some areas of your home for your dog to walk over them.
And make sure that your dog's toenails are clipped so that they can use their paws for a more comfortable grip and not ride on the tips of their toenails.
Provide them with a comfortable bedding, especially during the winters. If it is cold or hot for us, so it is for them.
And at last, if you notice anything abnormal with your pet, then please take them to the veterinarian for a thorough examination. So at the end, I would just like to tell you that our senior dogs are very special. Some people often abandon them at this point of their lives when they need extra care and attention and efforts from your side. No doubt they need more attention, love and patience from your side, but please don't ever think of abandoning them, because at this point of their life they need you much more than they needed you earlier. I hope that this video helped you, and if you have an old dog at your home, please let me know in the comment section below that how are you taking care of that special pet of yours. That's it for this video. If you liked it, then please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to VetVisit, then yes, please do. While subscribing, do hit the bell notification so that you're notified each time whenever a new video comes up. Also, do follow the Instagram and Facebook page of VetVisit as well. I'll see you next time. Till then, take care of yourselves and keep loving animals like you always do.